All right, in this example, we're going to be looking at the function 1 over x minus 2, and we're trying to find the domain of this guy. So like before, finding the domain. Domain is the set of all x values that I can plug into the function without causing problems. So again, the best way of figuring out what you can plug in is by finding what you can't plug in and then taking the opposite. So looking at this, again, we're looking for things that we can plug in that would cause division by 0. And we're looking for square roots of negative numbers or fourth roots of negative numbers or what have you. So in this case, since I don't see any radicals, odds are I'm going to get division by 0. So what sorts of things can I not plug in? Can't plug in x is equal to... Okay, so what could I plug in here that's going to cause a problem? Answer would be, well, 2. If I plug in 2, I'll have 1 over 2 minus 2, and that gives me 1 over 0. So if I plug in 2, I'm in trouble. Is there anything else that I could plug in here that would cause division by 0? If you think about it for a little while, after just trying to plug in different numbers, nothing else is going to cause this denominator to equal 0. So the only problem case is when x is equal to 2. So the domain of f is everything but 2. So I'll write all real numbers minus the set containing 2. Or another way, using bracket notation, from minus infinity to 2, not including 2, so the round bracket. And then we go from 2 to infinity, also not including 2. In which case, that is the domain of this guy. Another useful trick to finding domain of function is to set the denominator equal to 0 and see if you can solve for x, okay? But usually you can just look at it and be like, oh, if I plug in this, then this is what's going to cause problems. In more complicated examples, such as the one I'm about to do in the next example video, yeah, we'll see where it's actually important to actually set the denominator equal to 0 and solve. So with that, we are done. And if you found the last 2 videos helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see even more, go to projectgradered.com. See you there.